Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tech and Web.
Electric lunchboxes are changing the game in 2025, making it easier than ever to enjoy hot, homemade meals anywhere you go. Whether you're at work, on the road, or at school, just plug in and heat up in minutes. No kitchen required. In today's video, I'm showing you the top 5 best electric lunchboxes that are portable, easy to use, and totally worth it. Let's find the perfect one to keep your food hot and your day on track. Number 1. eStoke Cordless Electric Lunchbox. Tired of cold meals on the go? The eStoke Cordless Electric Lunchbox is your portable solution for hot, delicious food. Anytime, anywhere. With a powerful built-in battery, smart auto heating, and a spacious 5.5 cup capacity, it's perfect for work, travel, or outdoor meals. The removable tray divider keeps your food neat and separated, while the cordless design gives you true freedom. If you're ready to upgrade your lunch routine, this is the one to watch. Number 2. AsFrost 3-in-1 Electric Lunchbox Food Heater. Say goodbye to cold lunches with the AsFrost 3-in-1 Electric Lunchbox, your go-to food heater for car, truck, or office use. With 80W fast heating and a 1.5-liter stainless steel container, it warms meals quickly and evenly wherever you are. Compatible with 12V, 24V, and 110V outlets, it's perfect for on-the-road workers and busy professionals. The leak-proof design and removable container make cleanup easy and mess-free. If you want hot home-cooked meals anytime, this is the ultimate lunch upgrade. Number 3. TRAVELISIMO Extra Large Electric Lunchbox. Tired of small lunchboxes that just don't cut it? The extra-large electric lunchbox for adults holds up to 8 cups, perfect for big appetites or all-day meals. With 80-watt fast heating and a 1.8-liter capacity, it warms your food evenly and quickly at work or on the road. Ideal for truck drivers, laborers, or anyone who needs a serious meal on the go. If you want powerful heating and real portion size, this lunchbox delivers every time. Number 4. FORABEST Heated Lunchbox. Upgrade your lunch game with the FORABEST Heated Lunchbox designed for busy adults on the go. With powerful 80-watt heating and compatibility with car, truck, and home outlets, you can enjoy hot meals anywhere. The 1.0 stainless steel container is perfect for hearty portions, and it comes with utensils and a carry bag for convenience. No microwave? No problem. Just plug in and eat fresh, hot food wherever you are. It's the perfect solution for workers, travelers, and anyone who refuses to settle for cold lunches. Number 5. DUPASU Electric Lunchbox Food Warmer. Say hello to faster, hotter meals with the DUPASU Electric Lunchbox Food Warmer. With powerful 100-watt fast heating, this 1.8-liter lunchbox gets your food steaming hot in no time. Perfect for work, travel, or long drives. Compatible with 12-volt, 24-volt, 110 to 230-volt. It works in your car, truck, or office with ease. The spacious design is ideal for big appetites, and the leak-proof lid keeps things mess-free. For a reliable, portable, and powerful food heater, DUPASU has you covered.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.